Next we have the Llama Kit. Llama, where'd you go? Llama, no drama. Okay, so we have this is our Llama Kit. It is also a Christmas kit, but you could just make it regular with like a couple Christmas pages if you wanted to. Okay, so it starts with a fun little Valentine, and on the back you've got some post-it notes. Okay, so those can come undone. You've got some Christmas confetti and a little Christmas llama. You have the llama from out of the coloring book, some red tickets, several of the white tags and a small white tag. You've got some of this really fun little balls. They just are perfect, I thought, with the llama. You get this striped bag. You get 4 guest checks for this one. And this is some of your note papers. So you've got the penguins, and you got Santa and All I Want for Christmas and the nice list, and Santa with his big long beard. And then you've got this cute little tree, a couple of llamas. Now your llamas here might be a different color, but there's a couple llamas. These are tissues, okay, but they had a llama. I thought they were so cute. Some llama note papers, fa la 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 llama, and another one, okay, no problema, and the llama, and the llama. Cute note papers, and there's at least 2 of each of these. Looks like 3 of that one. That was nice paper right there. And 3 of that one. I like that the llama's on the top on that one. Another no problema with 3. You're an awesome reader. These were little bookmarks with the llamas on them. Okay, so you get some Christmas wrapping paper that I thought just went really well with the colors of this little kit. How about some llama stickers, some Santa cards, a fa la 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 la. Napkins, okay? So your napkin has this image on the front, and then you get 3 of this. This one has this on the front, and you get 1, 2, 3 of that. Okay, you get a full set of tags with the llama in it and all of his friends. Okay, so the llama and all his friends. Ooh, some steno paper. I haven't been able to find steno paper. And your llama Christmas paper. Okay. Llama Christmas paper. And you get some llama coloring pages, some cute coffee or polka dot, and the tree and these. So you get paper to go ahead and put into your project. And so I think you probably could build a journal with this without using much else, and you might still have pieces left over. So if you love llamas, this just might be the kit for you. Fa la 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 llama. These are available in the Dear Julie Etsy shop. I believe there are 3, and so check those out. Okay. Llama, fa la 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 llama journal kit. So next we have the penguin kit. the penguin kit. Okay, so penguin. And this is the penguin's cover kit. And it has a really fun blue denim that has snowflakes all over it. It has this cute little fabric along with that little piece there. You get this piece of plaid, a snowflake, and a large penguin sticker. Okay, so that's your cover kit. You make a cover out of that if you like. And then, let's see, let's go to the tassel kit. Looks really similar to what we've seen. You've got some lace, some eyelash trim, some ribbon, some of that fun, this little pom-pom, some fabric, and that another piece of fabric. So that is your tassel kit. Can't you just see that with the, oh my gosh, so cute. Okay, so then we have, I added some ugly sweater paper to this kit. So, okay, so you have a Merry Christmas and some other fun pieces there. See, I continue to add to them until I sell the first one, and then I stop adding. That's how it works. Because sometimes I keep finding stuff. Okay, with this one, you get a full sheet of penguin stickers. So you have 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 penguins here. So you have one for each day of the 25 days of Christmas. You get a Merry Christmas page and these two wrapping paper pages, along with the ugly sweater wrapping paper pages. Here is a couple of the North Pole. You get a little penguin and a couple of cards, index type cards, some blue tickets, a set of stickers. There's the pine. Some fun wrapping paper. It's got a penguin on it. Let's see, we've got penguin card here with a large envelope and a bright piece of paper. This is your time card. This time it's red and black. How fitting, because it's with the penguins. Another penguin card, a black card with an F on it. This fun little, this was a game. Okay, you get your Elf on the Shelf and your Charlie Brown. And the cute, with you just get cute stuff here. Merry and Bright. Here is a bag with penguins on it. This is got penguins on here, and that's from your, everybody's different on those though, I think. Penguin. Look at all those note papers, including the cute one with the penguin on it. Ho, ho, ho. Noisy paper, ho, ho, ho. Penguins. All the bright colors, some Santa wrapping paper. And then you get the pack, all the cool computer pages and the penguin. And I show you how to fold these in my paper folding, Christmas paper folding. I'll show you, because we have a special set of papers, just random Christmas papers. Look at the little bag with the penguin and the doily. And so I will put that in the description box down below. And at the end of this video, the paper folding. Okay, so you get those. And these are all, those three were cardstock. Okay, now your smaller things. This is quite the kit here. Okay, so your little bag that's holding your smaller things has penguins on it. You get your sequins. Look at your little penguin, little guy. Stickers, labels, random stickers. How about cards, playing cards with the penguins? Oh man, I'm gonna want to make one of these. It's hard for me though. My sister collected penguins, so that's what I think of. Look at these, sledding and the penguin and the igloo. Guest check. All kinds of wonderful stuff in your smaller paper items there. Okay, so we have your big items. Let's turn this over. And now we have your findings. I call these findings. Okay. It's quite a little bag full there. So you have your finding bag, and your pens are on your finding bag. Okay. So they're down there at the bottom. And you have 3 little candy canes. 3 little candy canes to go on those. You have a penguin paper clip. You have a couple of cute penguin stickers. Look at those. A big one and a little one. And a snowflake charm. And the little car. You've got your washers, your butterfly, 3 of the butterfly clasps, another paper clip, wire to make your tassel if you want to, red bling, your candy cane, 2 bears, 3 presents. Candy cane, 2 bears, 3 presents. Ooh, look at your presents. You get a blue one and green, and you get a blue and a green paper clip. You're all set. So that is the penguin. These are limited. There are only 2 of these in the shop.